Hi friends, welcome back to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Imagine this, no matter your age, 60, 70, even 80, you can add years of vibrant, healthy living just by changing what's on your plate. Sounds amazing, right? Well, groundbreaking research published in PLOS Medicine shows it's absolutely possible. This study revealed that adopting a healthier diet at age 60 could increase your life expectancy up to 8 years. And here's the kicker. Even if you start at age 80, you can still add around 3.5 years, extra years of healthy living. Isn't that incredible? So what's the secret to this life-extending diet? It's surprisingly simple. Load up on legumes, think lentils, chickpeas, and beans. These little powerhouses are full of protein and fiber. Embrace whole grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice to fuel your body and support your heart health. Snack smart with nuts. A handful of almonds or walnuts can do wonders. At the same time, reduce red and processed meats. They've been linked to inflammation and chronic disease, so cutting back is one of the easiest ways to boost your health. You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Start small, swap your morning toast for oatmeal, add a handful of beans to your salad, or reach for a handful of nuts instead of chips. Every bite you take is an investment in your future. This is truly amazing stuff and proof that it's never too late to take control of your health and add not just years to your life, but life to your years. So what's your first step? Let me know, and don't forget to share this life-changing tip with someone you care about. See you next time.